Welcome back into the workshop. Merry Christmas. This is a couple days after the Christmas holiday here, and we took us a little trip down to Texas, visit my son, and had a good time down there. And we're back in the workshop. We've kind of been a little lazy, I guess. Well, not really lazy, but not time to do a whole lot of video in this last month or so. Anyways, thought we'd check out a little project. I just got back, went by the store and picked up a saw. So we'll see what that is, and got some new tools to play with here. So we got these for Christmas, some extended nut drivers. Throw in the impact gun. They look like that'd be pretty cool. I don't know, we'll check them out. Look forward to using them. We'll have to find a place on the shelf here to put them, but anyways, we got a chainsaw here. Let's see what it is. I don't really need to show you all that. Anyway, it says, if you can read that, that actually says kerosene, get running. So what I'm told on this is that they bought this thing, I don't know, new maybe? I'm not really sure. But apparently they filled it with kerosene. Let's see what we got here. It looks like a nice saw. Let's see here. Well, it's been run a little bit. It's don't know a whole lot about it here. Kind of what, Craftsman maybe looking. No primer bulb on it there. Okay, it's got it over here. It's got something in it for fuel. Zinc. Got good compression. Let's see what it's got for fuel in it. They said it was full of kerosene. I don't know if they dumped the kerosene out and put their own in there or not. So the first thing we're going to do is just, let's get rid of this. Now that don't look like kerosene to me. That looks like decent gas. Or is it? It does have kind of a weird smell to it. I don't know. We're going to pump this a couple times and clear any gas that's in the carburetor or whatever's in there. Try to get as much of it out of it as I can. And other than that, the only thing else I know to do with it is I'm going to rinse it with a little bit of gas to make sure it's gas. There's a little bit of gas left. I don't go through a whole lot of two-cycle gas here. Let's do this a little bit. We're going to rinse it, slosh it around, make sure whatever's in there is out of there. We'll prime it, which should do something with it. Let's get most of the kerosene, if it is kerosene, out of it. We're going to dump that. And prime it. Okay, I'm going to say that the old is out of there. I don't know, so we need to do a whole lot more than that. I hope. So we're going to go ahead and put some more gasoline in it. Some good stuff that I know is good. And whatever's in there should be diluted enough anyways. All right. Now, did it need anything other than flushed out? See if it's got any oil in it. Got oil. Let's prime it. off switch looks good. Choke. Says release chain brake. And pull the choke. Prime it 10 times. Pull 3 to 5 times. Take the choke off. Okay, so what do we think of that? There we go. Don't know what else to expect. I don't know if they couldn't get it running. I really wished I'd kind of talked to the person that had it. I don't see there's any sense in doing anything more than that. It's running good. We'll go ahead and run a little bit more, make sure she's pumping some oil on the chain, but a lot of days, that's all there is to them. That's all the real projects I've got going on in the shop right now. Like I say, it's after Christmas. We'll take a little break from that. I've got a couple things coming up, but just wanted to kind of get in touch, show you some of these things. I don't know. We'll look it over a little bit more, but I don't see anything wrong with it. Looks like she's running good, responding. I don't know what the heck brand this thing. Like I say, I've never heard of this thing. Black Max. I don't know. Like I say, kind of looks like just foreign made. I don't know. We'd have to do a little research on that. But anyways, it runs. Follow the directions, starting them up. And like I say, we'll get into a couple other projects going on this year, I'm sure. Coming up, probably won't talk to y'all until next year. Y'all have a happy new year. Be safe out there. And we'll talk to you in the shop soon. Thanks much.